Welcome to Charlotte Burlington's How to Make a Daffodil. So to make a daffodil, all you need is a piece of green paper, cut 7 by 15 centimetres, a little yellow piece of paper, 1.5 by 5 centimetres, an orange circle, 6.6 centimetres, and a square piece of either white or yellow paper, 10 by 10 centimetres, and ideally a green straw. Okay, so the first thing to take is to remove all of this, but to keep the yellow piece of paper. Oops. And we need to fold it in half like this, then fold it again like this, then vertically, oops, you need to cut like here. Make little snips, ooh, like that, and then open it out. Obviously you will not have the measurements written on that. And there you just do little snips where the folds were. And then take your Pritt stick or child-friendly glue that you prefer to use and put glue down the lengthways of this piece, because this is going to make the stamen for the daffodil, and then also down the side as well. So that you get your little piece of paper, and you need to roll it like this. So roll it up like this, and then you need to just tease out the little stamens like so. There you go, that's one part of the daffodil done. So put that to one side, and then take your orange circle, fold that in half like that, like so, cut it in half. One side away. And what you need to do is fold it in half like this, like so. Fold it in half again, like that. I use quite thick paper. I would suggest using thin paper if you can, just makes it a little bit easier. So then you've got this little shape here. So what you do is you get a pair of scissors, and you just want to make like a little heart shape. Okay, so then you open it out, and we've got this little shape. So if you want to make it a little bit more wiggly, you can with a pair of scissors. Make that lovely like little frilly trombone part of the daffodil. And then take a bit of glue, put it down one end of the little piece of orange paper, stick it around like so, flick it out a bit, and you already have the first part of the trumpet done. I would suggest cutting a little hole here so we can put the straw, which will be the stem, later on. So put that to one side, and then with the green piece of paper here, fold it in half. Fold it in half like that. There you go. Try and keep your workstation as clean as possible. Down again. And then what you need to do is cut down here to make this leaf shape. And you open it up, and voila, you have 2 leaves. I think you should make a little mark down a little hole, so when you open it out, you've got a little hole to put the straw in for the leaf, to hold the leaf together. Right, so put that to one side. Now for the to create the flower. So what you do is you fold it in half into a diamond, a triangular shape, sorry, not a diamond, and then fold it in half again like that. Also, do not use card because it does make it much harder. And you open it out and you should have this centre fold here. So with this centre fold, what you need to do is we need to create almost like a tulip shape. So you need to do that. Sorry. And then you'd have a tulip shape. So what you do, however, it should be a little bit straighter than mine. Right, and then you need to cut around like that, like so. And then just straighten it up to create more of a petal shape. Then unfold it, and you have a daffodil shape. Now, I did one earlier with paper, which was obviously much better, and I put a hole in there for the straw. I folded it in half, and I fold it again, so I create a nice seam on each of the daffodil petals. Now, leave that there, and then let's put all of this together. So we've got the stem, so you put that into the daffodil, then get the little orange trumpet, there we go, voila. And then put the stamen in there, like that. You see? And then attach your green leaf here. And voila, you have a lovely daffodil. I hope you enjoy making this fun activity.